This is how to make solder Lego figures. Um, First things first, I got my goggles because the fumes that come up off of the solder can be pretty hard on the eyes. And I got this mask, which is not the right kind of mask, but I figure it helps a little. So what you need is basically a pan that can withstand really high heat, some kind of metal thing here to hold the solder while it melts, and then a mold. You can use whatever kind of mold you want. I am using Lego figures. Here I have my quenching water. It works best at room temperature, not super cold. And here I have an already uncoiled roll of solder. I kind of bunched it all up there so that it would fit into my measuring cup. So drop that in there and get my soldering iron plugged in so that I can make some adjustments and stuff as I go. If there's anything that's chunks of solder that are in the wrong place, I can just swipe them off. And lastly, an oven mitt. I think this one's pretty obvious. So I got this super loud fan on, it just helps suck up some of the fumes. So sorry if it's a little annoying. But anyway, so the solder is all melted. So now it's time for the fun part. Basically all I do is dump it in. It looks like I only have enough solder to make one. There's a bit more here, but I don't think it's going to be enough. It'll be a mini one, that's fine. Get in there. By George, I think we've done it. Yeah, it's going to be a skinny one, but it's, we got 2 out of that. Sweet, okay. So, yeah. Finally, all you do is turn the stove off, grab your quenching water. First thing I do is I go around the outside. That. This one's a little overfull, so I might see if I can move some over here. So I take that off the heat. That heat is hot. Get off the heat. Fill up my cup again. This time it's usually the second pour. I don't really care if it's too cold or not, because they've already kind of hardened a little bit. So yeah. Now I just fill it up. Once it covers over. Then I have this spatula here that I take them out with. I'm just gonna put this under cold water so I can take it out with my hands. Good. So they just pop out when it's done. Ta-da!